Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I will show you our electric scooter model CP6. This scooter is qualified with EEC COC and can do a maximum of 4000 watt model. We welcome distributors all around the world. Contact and let us know your OEM requirements. First still, let's see the buttons here. On the left hand for all the light buttons and horn. On the right hand, you could see the 3 gears and we have a reverse button for this model. This is how we use the scooter during our daily life for commute. Just install the battery and start your scooter. Okay, let's see one more time for the battery installation. When you install the battery, you have to lock the battery with the keys and then connect to the charging port. And then you are good to go. We have keyless start system so that you can start the scooter without keys. That's it. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Bye.